Hey! In front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app, for example Play Store, and click on the square button. Now you need to click on the top right corner of your app on this icon, and as you can see after that, I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to make it smaller, click on the home button, and if you wish to go back to it, tap on the bubble. If you want to use it to overlay other app, just select the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to move your app, just hold this line, the top one, and drag it. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by swiping it downwards over here, but you can also just simply turn it into a bubble and then swipe your bubble on this pin icon area until it turns red. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!